guys, ladies. Let me break it down for you. I can, with one hand, pretty quickly in about 2 seconds, take this off. That's a wing nut. It usually sits behind me on a music stand on a cloth, and then when I need it, I just quickly bring it on up, pop it in, tighten it on the hat. If you don't want to hear the hi-hat sound, you throw a cloth in there. And that's that. I had a woodworker friend of mine use a drill press. I don't know if you can see that real well, to make that very straight in the middle. And then he used there's like an inset piece that goes in here, and then the wing nut, and he set that for me too. And you could do it without that, except I had to then, you have to secure it here, or it would be too, otherwise it does that. So that's when I came up with this, and then that set screws it. Now you do have to anticipate a little bit, because there's a little bit of a lag in between the actual hit, so you'll be behind the beat. So it takes a little getting used to, but you just play a little bit ahead of the beat on your left foot, and then it works out pretty well. And it's just like a fraction most people would notice. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you make one. They're pretty cool, but I think this is pretty slick. And from just people that are watching, it's kind of cool to watch too. So, all right, bye. Hello again. There was just a couple things as I was driving home I realized you might want to know if you were actually going to do this. First was, when we made this, I had to take the ball off the top, because the way it attached to the drill press, something, I don't know. I chose, this is the vinyl. And I went with just the 2, because there's one with the 4 rows of bells, and it's just really too heavy. And the other thing I wanted to mention was there's kind of a little bit of a technique to the foot pedal, but if you flick it a little more than diving in, but if you flick it a little bit more, it makes like a sharper, crisper sound. It can get a little jingly jangly if you don't have a little bit of punch to it, and then it comes out really crisp if you actually, just practice a little bit. So anyway, I thought I'd add that before I sent this video out. All right, rock on.